Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Josie Annalise. Thank you to any returning viewers and hello to any new ones. As you can see by the title today, I'm going to be showing you my new house. I have moved from Sapporo city in Hokkaido, the northernmost island in Japan. I've moved from that city to the countryside. I'm now located in the subprefecture known as Tokachi, and the closest city to me is Obihiro. It's about 1.5 hours by car or 2.5 hours by the local bus. So I'm going to show you my empty house tour. I'm not showing you a furnished tour yet as I'm still unpacking and it's nearly there, but it's still kind of a mess. I'm sure many of you can relate. So here are some more details about the house. So it is a free LDK. What that means is it has 3 rooms in addition to a living, dining, and kitchen space. You'll see as I walk you through the tour, the layout, it's 2 floors. It's the ground floor and the second floor. And this house is a wooden type structure. And the house is a bit of an older one, so it's approximately 40 years old. However, it was recently renovated, not all of it. So upstairs is a new window, the kitchen has some new cabinets, there's some new wallpaper, but most of it is still, I think, the original structure. In addition, there is a shed out the back as well, which is great. It gives a safe spot for my bike to stay. And total size-wise, it's about 77 square meters. So whilst this is a house, it's not actually ginormous. So my neighboring houses are giants, which is kind of a bit funny because a lot of people, when I've given them my address initially, they're like, but like what number, which one? The house next to me is subdivided, so it's created a bit of confusion. Then they're like, they see the house, it's hiding behind a big house, and they're like, oh, I see. So luckily I think most people have managed the address now. They're like, okay, there's a person living there now. But no, so without further ado, let me show you my new house, empty house tour. I will talk you through it as we go. Please enjoy. Okay, so this is the entrance, also known as the Genkan in Japanese. And this is the shoe cabinet. There's lots of space inside. And then there's just this kind of area where there's a staircase as well as the entries to the other rooms. So here, this is the Japanese style room. Previously, I imagine there would have been tatami mats on the floor. However, they've put carpet in, which is lovely, and these beautiful Japanese style doors. We come into this area. This is the lounge room. There's some more storage, and the lounge room is directly connected to the dining room. And you can see here, this is the little shed I also have, and a little area that can be used as a garden. So this is the dining area. This is part of the house that was upgraded. There's a new intercom, and it's also directly connected to the kitchen, which was also upgraded. I would say 2/3 of the cabinets are new, very smooth. The one in the corner is the only old one left. And in that cupboard you just saw, that is the hot water heater, which is a kerosene one. The doors in this house are very beautiful. And then this leads into the bathroom area, which is kind of very conveniently hidden away. The bathroom does show its age quite a bit. However, it's a very nice unit bath. The bath is much deeper than the one I previously had, and there's the beautiful kind of mountain scenery on the wall, and a nice shower. And there's a lot of storage in here as well. So there's storage in the main kind of sink area, and then there's more storage also in the toilet. You can see there's some shelves, and there's extra storage as well. The toilet has a seat heater, but no bidet functions. Coming out of the bathroom, let's go take a look upstairs. going upstairs. The stairs are quite steep, which is quite typical of Japanese houses. But there are many handrails along the way, and coming up the stairs, there is the 2 rooms at the top, and there's a lovely little, what I like to call, Harry Potter closet at the top. It's like Harry Potter's. So, of the 2 rooms upstairs, this one has the beautiful forest tree wallpaper and these beautiful red cupboards. So this is great for storing clothes in. So I've made this room my bedroom now. And this one overlooks the little kind of backyard area, plus the neighbors. And it's just a very nice, cozy, beautiful room. That wallpaper, so good. And coming into the last room I have to show you, this is now my craft room. The window is new. The one you just saw, not this one. And this room has a lot of storage as well. It's got big storage cupboards, lots and lots of space, and it also has this like hanging closet space, which for me I'll most likely use for my suitcases. And nice wallpaper, and I've got a nice view of the mountain and the park area, and overall it's just really nice.